everyone, it's Darla. Welcome to my channel. I know it's been a little while. Oh, crazy busy like always. I guess you guys are too. It's just anywho, it is July 30th 2020. Can you believe it? It's Thursday and this is my first video this week. What is up with that? Busy. So I was watching the lovely Corina on Crochet, and I love this lady. She's very, very sweet, and she has a tutorial out for a project bag. Could be a shopping bag, whatever you want to use it for, right? And it's really easy, and I just had to make it, so I started it. So this, I think it's Super Saver, Red Heart Super Saver ombre in a coral. I think that's what this brand is. I don't have the ball band anymore, but this is how it's working out so far, or working up so far. I chained actually 50, so this is gonna be a pretty big bag, but I really like it. And I love how the ombre effect is working up. Yeah, it's a good way to use yarn that you have sitting around that you aren't using or haven't used yet, or maybe you've even started a project and you never liked it really and you threw it in the corner. Just frog it and make one of Corina Anna's bags. I'll put her link in the description box of the tutorial she did. It's so easy, and I love it. I absolutely love it. You could use this as a beach bag too. I'm kind of thinking about making a blue one, maybe ombre blue, you know, with the darker blues and the lighter blues. But I don't have any of that yarn right now. I just have this really pretty coral. So yeah, I like it a lot. And it's great if you go places where they charge you for their plastic bags. You know, just take this with you and it's perfect. Okay, so what else have I been working on? Oh my goodness, I am making a garment, a crochet garment that can be worn at least 3 different ways. So I'm going to be doing a tutorial on that. Hopefully within the next couple of weeks, and yeah, I think you're gonna like it, I hope. So I have some questions. Well, I have one question for sure. You know what my channel's all about, right? Crochet. I make fairy gardens, miniature scenes, shadow boxes, things like that. And if you go back towards like you go back on my channel and check out other videos, I have videos of pretty much everything I'm into. I'm also into card making now, and I'm gonna have videos on some of the finished cards that I've made once the recipients receive them. So what would you like to see on my channel that has to do with the crafts that I'm into? Do you want more crochet tutorials? Do you want more fairy garden tutorials? Shadow boxes, miniature scenes? Do you want to know how, actually I think I showed in one of my videos how to build like a mountain or a hill. I showed fairy gardens that I had making these mountains and put a little house on top and a little fake waterfall and stuff like that. Or do you want another one like that? Yeah, what would you like to see on my channel? Like, I'm here to serve you. This channel's, I try not to make it about me. It's about you guys, because I love you guys, and I want you to enjoy what I put on here. So and I thank you all for your input. You're just amazing. So please let me know what you want to see on my channel. Maybe you want to see something a little different. I could try to do for you. I mean, I did the yarny dance. That was cool, right? And I can hardly ever do anything normal. It's always something strange and weird. Well, I'm just a happy person, and I just love to laugh, and I hope you guys are happy when you see me, and I just want people to be happy. That's it, happy and healthy, to know you're loved. Yeah, this channel is all about positivity as much as possible. I mean, I did talk about some sad things on here, but it's everything works itself out. All right. So I decided, I missed talking to you guys, and I wanted to, let you know that I'm still here. I'm still crocheting, and yeah. So I'm waiting for some happy mail too. Oh my gosh, I think 3 or 4 people have let me know they have happy mail on the way to me, and with everything that's going on, the mail service is quite slow. So I've been stalking my mailman, and I thought he had some parcels for me a couple of days ago, on Monday actually, I think it was. I was so hoping they were for me, and I was standing by my fence, and I was looking at him, and he stopped walking, and he's looking at these parcels, and he looks at me, and I'm like, oh my god, and he walked right past me, and he said, sorry, nothing for you today. I'm like, ah! And of course I laughed, because I probably looked silly waiting for him like that. I used to have a man, actually, before this man carrier was a lady carrier, I was stalking her, and I let her know, and she brought me a parcel from England. Then I showed that on one of my videos. And before that, I had this guy carrier for the longest time, and he was such a sweetheart. But anyway, they're all really nice. I haven't had any problems with any of them. All right, so enough blabber. So when I get those happy mails, and the mail hasn't come yet today, I jumped on here quickly here, and but if I have happy mail today, I hope so, cross your fingers and your toes, I'm going to probably post it later today, because I won't wait till tomorrow to open it. It's crazy to try and wait. Okay, so that's it for today. I just really wanted you to see this wonderful bag that was created by Corina on a Crochet, and this is a whip right now. I'll put her link in the bottom, and please go over to her and check it out. All right, so if there's anything in this video you like, please click like. If you want to subscribe, that would be wonderful, and I'll see you real soon. All right. Bye bye for now.